Hello. It is our privilege to introduce you and welcome to brand ARTASHI. We are a design and manufacturing company from India. Till date we have designed more than 5,000 unique handmade products for home, kitchen, garden and gifting. We are the best factory for importers, wholesalers, chain stores and online stores around the world. We have an in-house production facility of 30,000 square feet work area and more than 1,500 master artisans. ARTASHI India is popular with its brand ARTASHI, a design company, a manufacturer and exporter. So you are least bothered about our products and services. We give the best to you. You can sit back and relax after choosing from our wide product range. We can also develop your designs and samples. Each product is meticulously crafted, ensuring that every piece not only serves a functional purpose but also adds a touch of elegance to any space. ARTASHI India is wholesaler of handmade products for decor home and all-occasion gifts. It includes holder candles, flower vases, wall decorations, jewelry box, fruit bowls, trays wood, frames for picture, figurines, sculpture art, brass pulls and brass knockers. We sell products under our brand ARTASHI. We also design and sell customized products, as per the specific requirement of our customers. We use natural recyclable materials, like wood, metals, stone, fabric, glass etc. to craft our unique products. All our products are handmade, handcrafted, hand-painted, sustainable, eco-friendly and recyclable. Just place a small trial order for $2,000 plus, or its equivalent currency, and get amazing products for your business. You can place online orders or contact us for further support. Thank you and happy buying.